All right, now I have a grid that is going to be for heart healing and also for drawing more love into your life. We are going to start this grid with a rose quartz sphere. So this is going to be a very sphere-centric grid. So we're going to start with a rose quartz sphere. Of course, rose quartz is the stone for unconditional love and heart healing. And then I have 6 other small rose quartz spheres to place in these extra little sphere holder areas. And then we're bringing in some ruby and fuchsite. This is a super happy stone. It's all about vitality and enthusiasm for yourself and love and others. It also helps strengthen self-worth and transforming negative to positive energy, and it is very, very heart healing. So these I'm going to place around the outside here, right in between our rose quartz spheres. And then I'm going to bring in some moonstone. I have these beautiful little peachy moonstones that are so gorgeous, and of course they relate to the moon and water and the emotions, so they're really wonderful to help balance emotions and understand your emotions a little bit better, maybe help to process some emotions. So I'm going to place these on the other side of our fuchsite, and there we go. Then I'm going to bring in, lastly, some clear quartz. We always want to include clear quartz in our grid because it helps to magnify and amplify the energy of the other stones you already have on the grid. So I'm going to place these outside of our rose quartz spheres. This is a very simple grid. You don't need very many stones to make this. And then don't forget to activate your grid. For that, you're going to use a clear quartz point or generator that you have already pre-programmed with your wishes and desires for manifestation. So whatever the purpose of this grid, whether it was heart healing or attracting more love to you in your life, you're going to really infuse this quartz with that. As you're meditating and thinking about your wishes and your intentions for this grid, you're going to move in a clockwise direction. Clockwise is activating. And you're going to bring that around in a clockwise direction, hovering over every single stone and kind of moving in a spiral. So you're going all the way around the outside as well, hitting all those stones around the outside. And then you could even spiral back inwards again. Again, really focusing on your intention, and then hit that central stone again and then touch your forehead. And there we go, we are complete. So enjoy making your grids, everybody.